Alright. Look. In ERPNext, you can build entire process chains. Manual approvals, clicking from one step to the next. You know the drill. It's fine. But today, we're not doing any of that. We're going to see how we can run ERPNext processes as fully automated AI workflows, right inside n8n. Let's start the clock. First up, we need keys to the system. Go to your search bar, User List. Pick your user. Define the roles and permissions. Then Settings, API Access. Click Generate Keys. You will get your API key and secret. Copy them. We're done here. Now, what's our target? Search doc type list. This is the architecture of everything. We're going after purchase receipt. Find it. That's our objective. Flip to Postman. We need to establish a connection. It's a GET request. Your URL of ERPNext instance, then /API/resource/ and at the end the doc type name. That's the endpoint. Authorization, header. The key is authorization. Value is token API_key, API_secret. Don't get it wrong. Hit send. Alright. We have our list of purchase receipts. But a list is useless for writing data. We need the blueprint. So go into that response and grab the name of any single receipt. Now, tack it onto the end of the endpoint and fire that request. That gives us the exact field names we need for the next step. That's our payload structure. Reading is easy. We need to write. To do that, we need the structure and the exact field names, like supplier, items, posting_date. This is the intel. Burn it into your memory. Time to build the post request. The URL is the base resource URL, the one without the specific name. The authentication approach is the same. But we have to define the body. Switch it to raw/JSON. This is the core of the operation. You build your JSON payload right here, using the exact structure, at least the mandatory fields, we just extracted. You can feed this from a webhook, a form, another AI. Anything. And that's the API engine. Alright. Now we model our AI workflow in n8n using these API structures. You could go absolutely nuts here, piping in data from anywhere, but for this video, we're keeping it simple. Clean. We're going to use an execute workflow node that fires off a chain of 3 post requests. First, we fire a post to create a purchase request. Then, we'll pipe the new ID and info from that payload directly into our second step, building and posting a purchase invoice. And for the final step, we grab the information from that brand new invoice and fire another API call to write it all to a note. A 3-step process, completely automated. From here, you connect the AI brain. Pipe this data to an OpenAI node to summarize or categorize it. You've just fully automated the process chain. And that's it. We took a manual ERPNext process, ripped it out, and rebuilt it as an intelligent, automated workflow. It's faster. It's smarter. It runs itself. And that's it. A full ERP process chain, automated in n8n. It's chained, it's fast, and it just works. Alright, I hope to see you in the next one.